Okay guys, today I'm going to revise yesterday's topic. Yesterday's topic is how to make the element stable. Okay, yesterday's topic is how to make the element stable. Okay, well, again I am going to revise. I'll take one example: sodium, atomic number 11. Sodium atomic number 11. How to make the sodium stable? Okay, nearest gas will take. Nearest gas is neon. 10. Nearest gas is neon. 10. Okay. Now Na plus will come. Na plus will come. Why? Because how many electrons are there in this? Electrons 11. I am representing with minus, negative symbol. Okay. How many protons are there? 11. Positive symbol I am representing. Okay. See, cations are formed due to the loss of electron. Here plus it comes in cations, means Na, sodium lost one electron. Here electron, proton. Here it lost one electron. Means how much it will be? 10. Here how much will be? 11. 11 minus 10 will be 1. Here 1 came, no? Like that, okay? Na losses 1 electron, means here stable. It is 10. It is near to neon. Okay, now it is stable. Now sodium is stable. Okay, it is near to neon. Na plus. It is near to neon. Now sodium is stable. Okay. Today I am going to tell you about other topic, valency. What do you mean by valency? What do you mean by the term valency? I am going to tell you. Okay. What do you mean by the term valency? Valency is nothing but combining capacity of an element is called valency. Valency is nothing but combining capacity of an element is called valency. Combining capacity of an element is called valency. Example, I'll tell you. Okay. NH3 you will take. NH3 means, okay, I'll take other example, easy example. NaCl3. Okay. 3 examples I'll tell you. Okay, 3 examples I'll tell you. NaCl is nothing but sodium plus chlorine. Totally, how we will call NaCl means sodium chloride we call. Nothing but Na plus Cl. Okay, I'll tell you one more example. CO2. CO2 nothing but C plus O2. Means carbon dioxide. C plus O2 is nothing but carbon dioxide. One more example I'll tell you. H2O2. H2 plus O2. We will call it as hydrogen peroxide. We will call it as hydrogen peroxide. This is valency. Example I gave. Now I'll tell you about those examples. Okay. I'll tell you about one example. Next example you do on yourself. Okay. Okay. I'll tell you. Now what is meaning of valency of NaCl? NaCl is nothing but sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. See what is the valency of Na1? Okay. What is the valency of Na1? How you know? Na1. Why? Because Na plus. Due to the loss of electron. So here plus 1. Nothing but here we will write as 1. Okay. This is the example I am giving. Other examples you do on yourself. Okay. Na plus 1 Cl. Other are somewhat difficult. You will get in higher studies. Not now. Just the basics I am telling. They'll come in higher studies. I'll tell you later. NaCl means sodium plus 1 gives 1. Like this is called as valency. Okay. Okay, before telling about this valency, you may get confused. First I'll tell you crisscross method. Okay, I'll tell you crisscross method. Then you'll understand valency. Okay, I'll tell you crisscross method. Then you'll understand valency. Crisscross method. Crisscross method. Okay, I'll tell you crisscross method. Example we take sodium chloride. It's a compound. It's not an element. It's a compound. Sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride we will take now. First, what we will write means how sodium chloride is there. How to find the valency of that I'll tell you. Example for sodium chloride. Okay. Sodium chloride. First we'll write the name sodium and chloride. First we should write the name. Na means sodium. Okay. Cl is chloride. CH is chloride. Okay. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is nothing but sodium and chloride is called sodium chloride. First we need to write the name of the sodium and chloride. Next, what we should write? Valence. Valence I told you just now. Means to make it stable. Okay. What is the valence of Na? Plus. Why? Because atomic number is 11. To make it stable, neon 10. Plus means loss of electron. Means how much it will be 10. 10 10 equal neon. Chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Sodium atomic number 11. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. To make it stable, what we should do? I will tell you. To organ, you take organ. Atomic number 18. This is an inert gas. Okay. To make it stable, Cl minus. Cl minus. Because gain of electron. Gain of electron will be called Cl minus. So Na plus Cl minus. So now what we should write, I will tell you. See, chlorine. Okay, sodium. Here what is it? Plus 1 is nothing but 1 only. Minus 1 is nothing but 1 only. Now crisscross the method. Okay. Sodium into 1, chlorine into 1. Now what will be? Nothing but sodium chloride. Okay. Nothing but sodium chloride. Okay. Once again I am telling you. First we should write the compound. What is the compound? Sodium chloride. Then we should write the name. Okay. Then you will not get confused. Na means sodium. Cl means chloride. Then write the valence of this, or how to make it stable. Stable. Write the stable. Means make it stable. Na plus means loss of electron near to neon. Cl minus, because Cl atomic number is 17. When we will add 1 electron, then it becomes Cl minus. If you want, I will tell you about Cl. Okay, now I am going to tell you about Cl. Side. Atomic number of Cl 17. How to make it stable? First we write inert gases. Inert gases. Helium, neon, argon. First 3 we will use more. Okay. helium, neon, argon. Atomic number of helium 2. Number of neon 10. Argon 18. To make it stable, which is near? Argon is near. To gain one electron, what we should do? They are nothing but anions. Okay? They are nothing but anions. Okay? Gain of electrons are called anions. Means Cl minus. Okay? Then we will get 18. Okay? Now is it stable? Yes, it is stable. So here also we will keep minus. Then crisscross the method. Here number how much it will be? 1. 1. Here number 1. 1. Crisscross. Multiply cross. Completed. This is how we will get sodium fluoride. Okay? Crisscross method. One more example I will tell you. One more example I will tell you. Magnesium oxide. What is the formula of magnesium oxide? MgO. MgO is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Mg. Magnesium oxide. O is oxide. Mg is magnesium. O is oxide. Okay. Now we wrote the number. Name. We wrote the name for this. Mg means magnesium. O means oxide. Okay. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium atomic number. Okay, I'll tell you about magnesium also. Magnesium atomic number 12. To make it stable, what we should do? Loss of electron. Mg plus 2. Why? Because it is near to the neon. What is the atomic number of neon? 10. If you take 2 electrons, cations are formed. 2 electrons will take. Then, okay, I'll tell you. 1 minute. Mg. How many electrons are there? 12 protons. 12 protons are there. To make it stable, 2 electrons are lost. Means 10 here, 10 here it will be. 12 minus 10. 2. 2 electrons are lost. Okay. This is the way. Okay. Here Mg plus 2. Okay. Oxide means O2. Means O minus 2. Oxide means O minus 2. Oxide is nothing but it's an oxygen. Okay. O minus 2. I'll tell you. Oxide is nothing but oxygen only. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. Atomic number of oxygen 8. To make it stable, again it is near to the neon. To gain electron, we should keep O minus 2. O minus 2. To make it stable, we write O minus 2. Okay, these are anions. Okay, gain of electrons are called anions, loss of electrons are called cations. So here it will be O minus 2. Okay, here number 2. Here number 2. Crisscross. 2 to get cancel or not? Yes. 2 to get cancel. Okay, now it will be Mg O. Mg Vo. Okay, 2 to get cancels, it will be Mg Vo. Once again I am telling you, magnesium oxide. Mg means magnesium, Vo means oxide, nothing but oxygen only. What is how to make it stable? Mg plus 2 means loss of electrons, O minus 2 gain of electrons, plus Mg O, like that. Okay, one more example I'll tell you. One more example I'll tell you. Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, magnesium hydroxide. It is represented with magnesium Mg hydroxide OH2. Okay, OH2. This 2 is for oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, the 2 is for oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, now I'll tell you. You should write the name. Magnesium. Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, magnesium, just now I told you. To make it stable, what will give? Plus 2, loss of electron. Hydroxide, I'll tell you now. Hydroxide, I'll tell you now. Okay, hydroxide, it will come in higher studies. I'll tell you later. Now we'll check. Again, we'll get confused. So what I'm not telling. Hydroxide means OH minus. Hydroxide means OH minus. Again, you get confused. So what I am telling, don't think that I don't know about this. Okay, I know everything. I'll tell you later. Okay, if I'll tell you means again you get confused. Okay, see, Mg plus 2 OH minus. Now crisscross. Number 2 minus here number 1. Okay, crisscross. Now what will get? Mg OH2. Why? Because 2 is multiplied for both oxygen and hydrogen. So Mg OH2. Here nothing but 1 only. Mg1 OH2. Okay. Mg1 OH2. Next we'll go to other topic. Or tomorrow we'll discuss the other topic. Today we discuss about the crisscross method. Just I'll introduce the other topic. Okay, just to introduce the other topic. Next topic is, okay, before going to the topic, you learn periodic table. Best, okay? You learn periodic table. From 1 to 30 elements, you should learn the atomic number and the atomic weight of the periodic table. Okay? Atomic number and atomic weight of the periodic table. Atomic weight is nothing but mass. Okay, you should learn 1 to 30 elements of the atomic number and the atomic mass. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss about that.